These peanut butter chocolate chip cookies have everything you want in a cookie. They're a little crispy around the edges and soft and chewy in the middle. Let me show you how to make them. So here I have 4 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon butter, and 3 tablespoons peanut butter, and I'm going to whisk that all together until creamy. Okay, it's all whisked now, so I'm going to add 1 egg yolk. Okay, the egg yolk is mixed in, so now I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla, about 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so now I'm going to mix in the dry ingredients. So I have 3 tablespoons flour, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. So I'm going to switch to a spoon to mix all that together. Okay, and now I'm going to throw in some chocolate chips. So now that the chocolate chips are mixed in, I'm just going to pop this into the fridge for at least an hour. So I just rolled this into a ball and I'm going to put it in the oven. And this is what they look like inside.